Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Happy Friday. I'm so pumped about today's video because we are going to be doing a review and demo of the new Nars Orgasm Collection. This collection is so beautiful, and if you watched my video of like new makeup releases, will I buy them? I talked about the palette in this collection and I said I was so hype about it, and literally the second it went on sale, I wanted to order it, and I could not believe they actually sent it to me. I haven't opened this up, but I know this is the collection, so we're gonna dive in. Really quick before we get started, if you're new, then welcome to my channel. Make sure before you leave, you subscribe. If you want to come back and see more reviews, I'm definitely getting back on track with the reviews. I'm not going to make these videos super long. I just want to get straight to the point. Here's what the collection is. This is what it looks like. This is what I think of it. And this is where you can buy it. So yeah, click the subscribe button. I post 3 times a week, Mondays, Wednesdays, and Fridays. And that's it for now. Ring the bell and let's dive in. And really quick, 3 things. 1, I probably look weird because my hair looks super duper blonde right now. I just got it done today. 2, I don't have my self-tanner on, so I'm looking a lot more pale than normal. And I have beautiful streaks on my hands where you can tell that it's fading off because I'm not good at lotion. And 3, I got eyelash extensions, and they're what I'm wearing today. Okay, that's it. Let's dive in. So they sent over this pretty large package. Wouldn't that be terrible if I'm like, this is the new Nars Orgasm Collection, and it's not what it is? I wanted to be surprised when I opened it up, and y'all see my first reaction to the product, so that's why we're doing it like this. Ooh, I see pink. Ooh, this box is beautiful. Okay, so it says Nars Orgasm. Let's open it up. I'm not even gonna look at what's inside. I'm gonna like wait and like move it so y'all can see. Oh. Okay, so, oh my gosh, what is this? It's like a little bag. Okay, hold on. How do I get it untied? It's like tied in the box. Look how pretty this bag is. It's like a bag that you can kind of see through, and it says Nars Orgasm, and it has these really beautiful pink handles. Thank you, Nars. Oh my gosh. Oh, this packaging is so beautiful. This bag is so gorgeous too. Okay, here I'm like, I'm not gonna like, you know, be really long in these videos. It says the icon turned on the Orgasm Collection. Now I'm pretty sure every summer they do come out with some kind of collection themed around their orgasm products because they're beautiful. The blush is just stunning. So the first thing I'm gonna talk about, because I wanna put this on my lips, this is the Nars Orgasm Infused Lip Tint. So it says, the object of desire. Slip into something more comfortable, skin adjusting. Orgasm Oil Infused Lip Tint adds a sheer sensation and a surge of hydration for seductively plush lips with a custom hint of tint. So I guess this is basically going to adjust to your lips, but it looks so hydrating. This is one of the products that I had on my wish list for the Sephora sale. Look how beautiful, you guys. It looks even better in person than it looks on the Sephora like .com. It's like a pink with like a purple undertone with like gold glitter in it. Retails for $26. I've been really into hydrating products, so it smells good, it feels good. And we'll see if the color changes anymore. I'm gonna zoom y'all in. So there's that on my lips. $26. I'm just gonna go to the product that I'm the most excited about. This is the Endless Orgasm Palette by Nars. I love, again, the pink packaging. It is beautiful. Brace yourself until you see this. Oh my gosh, this packaging, you guys. It does not look like this online. Like, I don't think I saw pictures of the front, but it's almost like 3D looking. As you can see, it like kind of comes up at the top. And I think it's plastic, but it's really cool because this is like a, not glass cover, but the orgasm and the writing is like within this, and this packaging's really nice. Okay, here's the palette. Is this not gorgeous? This screams, you're coming with me on every single vacation that I go on. Expand your palette. They did send over this little card. So it says, expand your palette, build your orgasm to your desire, intensity with 6 lightweight stain cream pigments for eyes, cheeks, and lips, featuring the cult favorite color and complementary shades for perfect accentuating and exhilarating. Okay, so let's swatch these. Oh, it's a cream. Ooh, here's the top row. Beautiful shades. These are so beautiful. Oh my goodness. So there are these 3. I really don't even think the camera can do a bit of justice to how pretty these are in person. They're just so reflective. I think they look better whenever I like go like this instead of going up front in the camera. Okay, so again, there are those three. Then you have this one, which is a little bit more sheer. You have the middle shade, which is a more bronzy shade. And then you have another pinky shade. It's like a rose gold almost. These are so creamy. Like, I can't even get over how beautiful they are. So there's that. So this palette retails for $49. I think that is so worth the money. I feel like a lot of people can be kind of intimidated by creams, but I have been obsessed with creams ever since, I think it was last year I got a cream palette. So what I'm going to do is we're going to do some on each side just so that way you guys can see. I love this Sephora Pro Sculpting Blush because I feel like it puts like the right amount of product on and it's really easy to buff it out. So I'm just going to put that on the skin. I did want to put a little bit of product on in this video just so that way you guys could see. And then I'm going to just kind of like wipe the brush off and I'm going to go in with the Orgasm shade on the other side. You can definitely tell the pigment in this. You also can go in with a sponge. This is a lot of product, but I don't got anywhere to be tonight. So look how pretty that is. And like it doesn't even look streaky. I'm going to put some on the side for this side. I actually think I prefer doing it with a beauty blender. Some type of beauty blender, a beauty sponge, whatever you want to call it. So there's that. I don't know if this makes me look any lighter, but I had taken the thing that I lay on my desk off and I felt like I was looking kind of dark. So hopefully that helped if I was. But yeah, these are beautiful. Now let's go in and do a little bit of highlight. I'm going to go in with this first shade, which I think is beautiful. And we are just going to highlight the cheek. Oh my gosh, it is so pretty. Okay, I'm gonna go in with a different brush. You know, actually, let me go in with the back side of a beauty blender. Ooh, look at that glow though. This palette is so pretty. What did I say in that video? I was like, y'all, I am a sucker for a good palette that has, you know, a lot of products in it. Look at that nose highlight though. Oh my gosh. Yeah, girl, it's glowing. Like, do you see this? I mean, come on now. Oh, it's just so beautiful. Maybe I'm going to put a little bit more. I am obsessed. Like, this is like what I'm all about in the summertime. Lit from within. I mean, I'm going to stop obsessing. Totally would get this. This is like my favorite thing from the whole collection. This Cupid's bow and this nose highlight is just giving me a different kind of life right now. I'm feeling it. I'm feeling it. Okay, next two products and last two products in the collection. So we have the Glow Getter. This is the Orgasm Liquid Highlighter. I bet this is about to be beautiful. Oh, okay, so here's the packaging. So here's what that looks like. I don't think you're ready for this. Okay, so I'm just gonna do like, oh, so much for that little bit. Oh my gosh. I don't think that you can understand the gorgeousness of this. It's like a rose gold color. I feel like I should have shook it because it's a little bit like runny, dare I say. Let me shake it. Shake it off. And this retails for $30. Look, I just put it all over my hand. Oops. Okay, so let's see if shaking it helped it be. I mean, it is a liquid. I was just trying to get a little bit more thickness. That helped a little bit. So here's kind of what it looks like. It's really, really pretty. I do feel like it could get a little bit thin if you're, it just depends on like what you're going for. With me, I think this would be really pretty like mixed in to a foundation because it's just like a glow from within. So it says, do it with the lights on, transform your look with the new guilty pleasure, a dewdrop of highlight, skin perfecting, Orgasm Liquid Highlighter. Drop it like it's hot. So let's see what this looks like on the cheeks. What do I want to use to put this on? Okay, so I'm just going to drop a little bit of this on a brush. It is really pretty though. It's a really nice pink shade. Honestly, I have so much product on, so you probably can't tell. I just want to do a little bit of something for you. But okay, let's say this. It is a highlighter. It's definitely doing its job, right? Let me even put, not to like show off my bra, But let me even put just a tad bit of this on like my collarbone. Can I even find my collarbone? I've been eating a little bit lately. A little bit. I don't think you can even tell on this camera. Oh yeah, you can. So it does give you just like a really pretty like glow from within look. Beautiful. Okay, let me get this hand wiped off real quick. So I did go in a different room to get something to wipe my hand off with, and I caught a glimpse of like my hand and my collarbone right here, and that highlighter looks gorgeous. I don't think it's something that you have to have, but if you're in the market for a liquid highlighter, I think it's beautiful. And it has that like pretty pink tint to it. Okay, lastly is the Nars Orgasm Blush. And let me just say this. I feel like Nars, like even though they, you know, even though this is something you can already buy typically, I feel like they do so well with packaging where it's like, I gotta have that. Like, even though I might already have an orgasm blush, it's not in this beautiful packaging. It's so pretty. And if you guys have never used the orgasm blush, oh my gosh, it's just this beautiful pinky blush. And it has these like golden reflex in it. And as you can see, it's just so shimmery. Oh, I just love it. It's probably one of my favorite blush shades, honestly, because I love a blush with a little bit of sheen, with a little bit of shine, with a little bit of shimmer. And this gives it to me. Yes, Nars. Okay, it is $40. It says the original award-winning, universally flattering orgasm blush in an oversized compact, designed for the ultimate orgasm enthusiast. So that is the full Orgasm Collection. Do I love this collection? 100% yes. I'm so excited about it. I feel so like glowy and dewy and just... I'm about this life, okay? So check it out. I'll leave links down below for all the products if you plan on purchasing anything. And give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. I love you guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!